Today's video, I'm going to teach you build an n8n workflow to extract YouTube channel emails with Apify and AI, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. We're creating a simple yet powerful automation in n8n that searches YouTube for channels based on a keyword, scrapes each channel's description, uses AI to spot business emails, and repeats that process for every result. This is perfect for testing, lead research, or feeding a CRM. Just remember to comply with platform terms and handle contact data responsibly. Start by adding the manual trigger, the node that runs when you click Execute Workflow. It's ideal for testing and manual runs, letting you iterate quickly as you fine-tune your setup. Once it fires, the flow moves on to define what we're going to search. Next, add a set node to capture 2 fields, a search term and the number of channels to retrieve. Use a focused keyword so results are relevant, and choose a reasonable limit while testing to avoid long runs. These values will be passed forward to drive the YouTube search. Now add an HTTP request configured for the Apify YouTube Scraper API. Feed it the keyword and desired count from the set node. This call returns channels or videos matching your search. We'll pass those results along for item-by-item handling. To process each result cleanly, insert a loop over items node. Think of it like A for each. It takes each channel from the search results and sends it downstream one at a time, ensuring reliable, isolated processing. Inside the loop, add another HTTP request for the Apify YouTube Channel Scraper API. Instead of broad search, this opens each channel page and collects details, including the channel description. That description often contains a business contact line, the exact text we want to analyze. Send that text to the AI step. Add an AI agent to extract email addresses from the description. Its job is to read natural language and detect email patterns so you get structured, usable data. Keep your prompt clear and concise, and make sure you're only extracting what you need. Connect the OpenAI chat model node. This provides the intelligence your agent relies on to understand text and recognize email patterns. Without this model, the extraction won't function. Then add a structured output parser to enforce clean JSON. Returning a simple list of email strings makes it easy to store, filter, or forward to other tools later. Finally, return to the loop so the workflow continues through all remaining channels. Test with a small count first, then scale up as needed. Save, execute, and you're ready to build reliable outreach data with n8n, Apify, and AI.